everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can log out of Netflix on all devices. So without wasting much of our time, let's get on with the video. First of all, open up a web browser and log into netflix.com. After you are signed into your netflix.com on a web browser, go ahead and access the account settings, which will be located at the top right. Simply mouse over to your avatar and in the pop-up click on Account. This will open up the account's interface, from where you can simply click on Manage Access and Devices. You will then be able to see all of the devices that you've logged into your Netflix account with. Simply go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on the Sign Out of All Devices option. Soon after you do that, you will be able to effectively sign out of Netflix on all devices associated with your account, ensuring your account's security from unauthorized access. So that is how you easily log out of Netflix on all devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.